Scrolling would be a mistake because this is the Sublimation DTF powder hack that you have been waiting for. These kits can be purchased right off of Amazon, which is amazing, and I love the fact that this film fits right into my printer, so there are no additional steps needed. This powder is very important, so I always prep it while I'm waiting for my print. The powder does need to be applied to wet ink, so we need to move quickly and consistently. You want to make sure that all pieces of the project are covered. Then shake it back and forth to ensure that everything is fully saturated. If there is no DTF powder on the ink is not going to stick. This step is by far the most important. We have to melt down our DTF powder or it is not going to adhere to our material. The method I use is heating up both my element and my mat and then placing my film in between the two, allowing it to stay there for a couple minutes to fully melt everything. Now, manufacturer does recommend putting these in an oven. However, I do not recommend that because DTF powder is toxic and you do not want to put that around your food. If you are interested in learning more about mastering this hack, please check out the Creator's Orbit. Over there, I have just uploaded a full step-by-step tutorial teaching you exactly how to perfect this hack. Once pressed, these do feel exactly like a DTF print, so it will have a little bit of a film on top. However, it is not too heavy and it is a really nice touch, especially if you need to use canvas or cotton materials. Let me know in the comments, will you be giving this hack a try or will you pass?